सैमाच्या जतनुकेत ग्रीन टेक्नॉलॉजी महत्वाची भूमिका साकारपाक शकता। गोयच्या सैमाक सांबाळपा खातीर ग्रीन टेक्नॉलॉजींतल्यान कितें करूं येता तातूंतल्यान वेगवेगळे उद्देग चालीक लावप, तशेंच रोजगाराची संद तयार करप, ग्रीन एनर्जीची उपकरणां तयार करप, सौर उर्जा तशेंच वाऱ्याचो उपयोग करून उर्जा निर्माण करप ह्या सारक्या विशया कडेन गोंय सरकारान गंभीर्यान पळोवपाक सुरू केला अशी माहिती मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी दिल्या। ते 14व्या ग्लोबल इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी कन्व्हेन्शन 2023 कार्यावळीच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्या वेळार मुखेल सोयरे म्हणून उलयताले।
There is a hope, and that hope lies in the development and implementation of green technology. The green technology is any technology that is designed to reduce the impact that humans have on the environment. This can include everything from the solar planet and the wind turbines and to the electrical car and energy efficient light bulbs. The green technology is not only the good for the environment, but it can also be the good for the economy, as it has the potential to create the new job and new industry. For the research and development of the properties for the sourcing the alternative source of green energy from green hydrogen, solar and wind. In Goa, we are undertaking the 3 bold green tech initiatives that we are in process of execution. New innovation technology testing. Innovative new technologies such as the 2 megawatt membrane based floating solar that are unique to Goa landscape and new green hydrogen R&D center in line with National Green Hydrogen Mission. Renewable manufacturing hub. It is an encouraging and facilitating production of the solar panels and electrolyzers, etc. Third one is the protecting and enhancing the green environment. We are about to announce the historic plan to densify the forest with an innovative carbon exchange program.